If you are looking to binge watch a great crime drama show over this week, then Saas Bahu or Flamingo is perfect for you. Saas Bahu or Flamingo is on its way to become one of the best Indian web series to be released in 2023. The story is truly unique. It's about this strong matriarch, एक सास है basically Rajasthan में, and her daughters and daughters-in-law, which are the bahus, who made cocoa plants in Rajasthan and make cocaine out of them, which they've tagged as Flamingo. So that's why the name is Saas, Bahu or Flamingo. And one insider Bollywood gossip news that I got, I don't know how true it is that the show was supposed to be named Saas, Bahu or Cocaine, right? Because they are in the cocaine, the entire drug industry. But somehow that name didn't take off, and Saas, Bahu or Flamingo it is. So the theme is incredibly unique, right? It's not about these usual crime drama shows or drug shows where you have all the men doing the business and all the men doing the killing, the violence. This show turns it upside down. You've got this strong sass, right? And she's like 60s, 70s mein wo sass hai, and her bahus and daughter who are doing all of this. They're managing the drug business, 500 crore का वो धंधा संभालते हैं. उसके अलावा they also take care of the violence. In one of the episodes, some men came to attack the household, and they went all guns blazing with knives and just thrashed the hell out of those men. So it smashes patriarchy at every level. One interesting thing about the show is its world building. कि it is not just about कि ये पुलिस वाले हैं, ये है अपने drug making family और बस कहानी बस इन दोनों के बीच चलती रहेगी. It's not like that. So they've involved many characters within the family itself. Like there are these useless sons and there are these great daughters-in-law, like the bahus, who are running the show. उनके बीच में what are the conflicts, what are the fights. इसके अलावा there is like other drug rings. जैसे these guys are in borderlands, which is supposed to be the golden ring. There is like a northeast का drug ring, a south का drug ring. And there are like these very interesting characters who are sort of trying to, fall in love with each other or trying to kill each other. तो काफ़ी interesting है this entire world building, multiple characters, बहुत सारा conflict. And coming to the acting is very well done. You've got Dimple Kapadia who's playing Savitri, the main matriarch, the sass of the show, and she is absolutely killing it in the role. एकदम एक thick Rajasthani accent और जिस अंदाज से वो बात करती है, she is like so into the character, and काफ़ी उनकी back story and all भी जो दिखाई है, that is very interesting. Then there's this particular character called Harish, ठीक है, जो Dimple Kapadia या सावित्री का बेटा है, and he is useless, right? Like good for nothing कि बस मम्मी ने खिलाया पिलाया और अमेरिका भेज दिया बस टाइम पास करने, वो बिगड़े हुए बच्चे होते ना. And he does that so well, like in every scene he's just incredibly funny. He portrays that character very, very well. So Ashish Verma has also done a great job. There's Isha Talwar, who's like an amazing actress in the show. Comparing it with other Indian web series in the same genre, like if we look at Mirzapur, right? Mirzapur was very raw. उसमें like Pankaj Tripathi है, या Sacred Games was also like very bold उसमें क्योंकि नवाजुद्दीन है. So these shows seem very real. Like उसमें कुछ ऐसे फेकनेस का कोई हिंट ऐसे नज़र नहीं आता. दिस शो सास बहू और फ्लेमिंगो, उसमें कुछ मोमेंट्स पे आपको लग सकता है कि हाँ ये थोड़ा ओवर डन है या ये शायद ऐसे नहीं होता है और दिस सीन कुड हैव बीन डन बेटर. बट ओवरऑल फॉर एन इंडियन वेब सीरीज इट हैज़ डन अ टेरिफिक जॉब. So the show is on Disney Plus Hotstar. It's only 8 episodes long and it's perfect for a binge watch. So do give it a watch and let us know your thoughts. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'll try to create more videos around pop culture, web series, anime, everything that we all love.